what if I told you that a simple vegetable you've probably overlooked could be your secret weapon for radiant, youthful skin? It's something you might even have in your fridge right now. It's beets. Yes, you heard that right. Beets can do wonders for your skin health. And the best part is that this wonderful root can be easily found in the grocery store right next to your house. Whether you're struggling with dullness, fine lines, or just want a natural glow, this video is for you. And here's the thing, it's not just about topical treatments. We're talking about beauty from the inside out. Beets are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that directly improve your skin's appearance. But wait, it gets even better. Beets are also a powerful detoxifier, meaning they help your body flush out toxins that could be causing breakouts or premature aging. Stick with us because in just a few minutes, we're going to share a super simple recipe to add beets to your routine. Trust us, once you see the benefits, you'll never skip the superfood again. If you're serious about aging gracefully and preventing wrinkles, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Youthful Glow. First up, let's talk about one of the biggest reasons beets are a skincare hero, antioxidants. You've probably heard about antioxidants in skincare products, right? They protect your skin from damage, reduce inflammation, and help slow down the aging process. Well, beets are loaded with a powerful antioxidant called vitamin C. Vitamin C helps boost collagen production, which is the protein responsible for keeping your skin firm and wrinkle-free. And here's another benefit. Vitamin C fights free radicals, those pesky molecules that cause skin damage and premature aging. So, adding beets to your diet can give your skin an extra layer of protection. Alright, let's dive into another skin benefit, that healthy glow we all crave. You know when someone's skin just looks alive? That's what beets can do for you thanks to their iron content. Iron helps your blood carry oxygen to your skin cells. The more oxygen your skin cells get, the more radiant and healthy they appear. This is why beets are often called a blood purifier. They stimulate blood flow, which in turn makes your skin look brighter and more vibrant. Think of it as your skin's natural highlighter, but from the inside out. No makeup required. Now, let's talk hydration. Beets are about 90% water, and staying hydrated is key to smooth, plump skin. When your skin is dehydrated, wrinkles and lines become much more noticeable. That's why it's important to hydrate from within as well. Beets also contain silica, which helps your skin retain moisture and maintain its elasticity. This means fewer fine lines and a smoother texture. It's like a natural skin plumping ingredient straight from your diet. And you'll notice that your skin feels softer and more supple even during those dry winter months. Now, let's get into detoxing. One of the best things beets do is support your liver. And we know what you're thinking. What does my liver have to do with my skin? Well, a lot. Your liver is responsible for removing toxins from your body, and when it's overloaded, those toxins can show up on your skin. Beets contain a compound called betaine, which helps support liver function. When your liver is working efficiently, toxins are flushed out, reducing the risk of breakouts, inflammation, and dull skin. It's like a deep clean for your body, and your glowing skin is just a bonus. So now you're probably wondering, how do I actually eat more beets? The good news is that there's so many easy ways to add them to your diet. Here are a few of our favorites. Beet smoothies. Toss them into your morning smoothie with some berries and spinach. Beet salads. Roasted beets pair perfectly with greens and goat's cheese. Beet juice. For a quick skin boost, drink a glass of beet juice a few times a week. Beet hummus. Blend roasted beets with chickpeas, tahini, garlic, lemon juice, and olive oil for a vibrant, nutrient-packed dip. Perfect for spreading on toast or as a veggie dip. Beet chips. Thinly sliced beets, toss them with olive oil and bake until crispy. These make a healthy, crunchy snack alternative to regular chips. It's that simple. Consistency is key, so try to add beets to your meals a few times a week and watch your skin transform over time. And there you have it, the power of beets for glowing and youthful skin. The best part about beets is that they're easily available and affordable.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Youthful Glow for more natural skincare tips.
Also, let us know in the comments if you've tried adding beets to your diet and what changes you've noticed. Thanks for watching Youthful Glow, and we'll see you in the next video.